Good afternoon, sir. My name is John Dixer Bebrinca. So, my first theory is sociogenomics, which is by Giambattista de la Porta. And this theory is can identify outer appearance, whether if you are a criminal based on your appearance, and also in the new king of book, which is Johann Caspar Lavater. And my second theory is phrenology. Phrenology is can personal character with traits or also known as craniology or cranioscopy. And can for phrenology is they have if you are a big upper lips is you're called stupid. And my third theory is neutralization drift theory. And this theory is delinquent, which is legitimate delinquent behavior. And they have four elements of neutralization theory, which is denial of responsibility, denial of injury, I mean five, denial of victim, condemnation of the condemners, and appeal to higher loyalties. My fourth theory is differential association theory, which is criminal behavior is learned by Edwin E. Sutherland. Through behavior, the criminal will learn. And my fifth theory is containment theory by Peter Reckless. And this theory can identify your psychological is internal and external structure, which is they have two containment theory, inner containment and outer containment. Um, the sixth theory is social bond theory, which is this theory can lack of such commitment, but they have elements of social bond theory. The one is attachment, commitment, involvement, and belief. And my seventh theory is theory of imitation, which is this theory is criminal can copied by someone, which is their idol who copy their actions or fashions. And eighth theory, which is and my eighth theory is strain theory. And this theory can whether your anger, frustration, but they have five elements of strain theory is conformity, innovation, ritualism, patriotism, and rebellion. And my ninth theory is labeling theory. This theory can identify informal or my ninth theory is labeling theory. This theory argues that informal an application, but they have consequences of labeling, which is stigmatization and self-fulfilling prophecy and self-labeling, and lastly is dramatization of evil. And my last theory is theory of atavism. This theory can identify whether you are a criminal based on your stigma or your face characteristic, which is if you are dark skin and protogenic Jews, you are called an criminal because of this theory by Cesar Lambros. That's all.